Hey guys, how you doing? I have another video I made with Brinks disc lock. I also went out and I bought two brand new combination locks. I haven't really messed with them that much. We got one Brinks and one Master. This packages the Brinks. It's the Master one. A lot of people have different techniques for breaking a combination, which I'm not going to say and explain them all. But one of the ways that I've been messing with is the shims. I make them out of, I made a whole bunch out of cans, but just cut a whole bunch of little pieces. Got a whole bunch made. And fold them. Everyone has different ways of folding them, so. But let me lock this. The Master. And the Brinks. We'll do the Brinks first and see how we do. It's pretty basic. There we go. There's the Brinks. Usually you can only use the shims once, that's what I found. But let's see if I can use it again on this Master. It might work. Yeah, see, this one didn't work. I already got another one made, so let's try it. Okay, so that one's not working either. There's the Master. Sometimes I make the shims a little too long. I found out if you make them shorter, they work better. But sometimes I make them too big. Depends how you cut them. But there you go. It's not that hard once you get the hang of which ones to make. But Brinks and Master combination lock. Thank you.